In this demo, you will learn how to generate shipping labels from a data file using a custom import template. To get started, go to Toolbar and select Import Data. This is the list of import tags. Click on Add Import Template to add a template made up of most commonly used tags. We can customize the default template, add new tags, and edit formatting. We are also going to include 2 automation tags, a number counter and a date tag. Once we are done customizing the import template, go to Import Data and select the import file. Review the column headers and the corresponding import tags. Click on each drop-down list to match the column with the appropriate tag. As usual, all contact data shown in the demo are computer-generated dummy data. Our import file contains 99 rows, 1 row per contact. We are using a 6 per letter sheet shipping label. This generated 99 labels, a total of 17 pages. To render the number counter and the date tag, go to Toolbar and choose Automation Tags. You can now review and print the generated labels. Thanks for watching. Please check out other videos in this playlist for more label creation tutorials.